Welcome for this new AVI Angle episode. Almost all companies want to have a way to consume IT, compute, storage, and network. They need to offer a self-service portal, an API to make sure new applications can be created in a matter of minutes. But wait, a new app requires a load balancer. How can you include your load balancer in your automated process? In a VCF world, you can leverage the built-in integration between VCF automation and AVI. However, some of you want to continue to use their existing automation framework, which can include Ansible, Terraform, or even native REST API calls. In vSphere 8, you can leverage VMware Aria automation or vRA to automate the creation of a virtual service. Before reviewing this, let's review how it works. First, you have a self-service portal which provides settings associated with the application. You have infra settings which provide information related to the infrastructure, like which NSX tier 1 I want to use or which service engine group I want to target. This feeds vRA, and vRA will then communicate with the AVI controller. The AVI controller knows your environment and will create your service engine or load balancer if needed. Let's review this in action. First of all, let me go to my AVI UI. And in this AVI UI, you see that I have no virtual service in this automation tenant. Now I'm going to switch to my vRA UI, where I can see my catalog, and I want to request this AVI template. So I will request this AVI template, and I will use this vRA1 as a name of the template. I will ask to create a DNS record. I will just populate the IP of each backend server here. And I can use the same name for the host name of the application. And I'm going to enable SSL here. So I submit this, and vRA will do some check and eventually will configure AVI with the settings they have created. This template, this AVI template, has been defined here. So you have all the information, and you can see that this blueprint basically leverage different resources like virtual service resources, the VSVIP resources, and also the pool resources. Some information comes from the form that we have that we just used, but also other information comes from the infrastructure, like this application will be instantiated on which VRF. For instance, this has been defined here, and this has been defined also there, right? And as you can see also in this blueprint, we are calling a specific account, which is the AVI Cloud account. And actually this AVI Cloud account has been opened here, and you can see it targets my AVI controller. It targets also a specific cloud in AVI along with a specific tenant. Now if I go back here, now you see that this deployment has been done. So I can go to my AVI UI, and I can see this application has been created fully automatically. I can copy the host name here, and if I HTTPS this FQDN, you can see that my application is responding. So in very few seconds, we were able to create a new application thanks to this integration that we have with AVI. In the comment of the video, I will post the link if you want to have a try on this blueprint on your side. You can leverage this. Thank you for watching.